Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hickory Hills, local and long distance movers near me. We offer the right, reliable, long distance moving solutions to help you make your move so much simpler. No matter how far you want to move, our qualified crew of movers can make it a lot easier. With us, you get all the right moving services to make relocating so much easier. If you're looking for a basic move or a full service move, we offer all the options you need, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. It may not be easy to justify the cost of hiring an Illinois moving company. A deeper look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a practical option. You will definitely save time with your local move if you hire a moving company. Minimizing the heavy lifting also offers yet another advantage you get from using the best local movers. With our experienced movers, you get a very effective move from start to finish. 3 Movers understands how to simplify your move. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can manage in a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hickory Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.